Ouch. What's going on, guys? We are here with the Dubai vlog. Make sure you put that in the intro. I'm a bit ill,
with the slap as well.
Woke me up.
This beat is making me high. Yeah. Let's get it poppin' in the sky like the 4th of July. Having the time of my life. Yeah. Sergio dip when I get on the mic. I'm saying big ballers in the building.
Welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is a bit different. It's got nothing to do with cars. Well, we are definitely going to show you a bit of cars, but the main thing is in a different country. I thought I'm going to record this whole journey, but I couldn't. So I thought, you know what, today is the main day. I cannot miss the main day. We are currently in Dubai. We are going to travel today to Abu Dhabi for UFC. I believe it's 293.
As you can see, Brother Fas is struggling not only with his voice but also with his life. He had been ill for a little while, so I can't really blame him, and you can probably tell from my voice I'm ill as well. But to correct him, it was UFC 294, Islam Makhachev versus Volkanovski. It was an event and a half, so we filmed what we could. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video and let us know what you think.
Salam, brothers. Today you've got Mr. Gene vlogging the vlog of a lifetime.
So me and brother Waka, I'm gonna tag in there. He's got loads of subscribers, so you know you also need to up your game. We are going to get a shape up, hopefully.
Let's go and find out what happens, bro.
He don't even need shape up. He looks sharp, but he's just coming with me. He want to drive the car, but the car's
my whole life, bro, was my entire dream to drive a US. And today we're going in the Audi.
Yes, but it's the same thing. Yes. So we got the RSQ8 for now. This is first time driving RSQ8.
It's a good car, it's a good drive. I'm trying to compare it to X5.
So this brother, he loves the X5 just like me. He had the X5 M50D. Unfortunately, he ain't got any more, but he's interested in buying a new car. Are we? Be right back.
Actually, no, it's fixed. Alright, guys, so Mr. Gene is still not back. So I thought I'd just talk to you guys, give you an update on what's going on. Actually, wait, is that him over there? There he is. There he comes. What do you guys think? Has he found the barber shop or not? He looks a bit upset. Actually, wait, hold on, let's see. Alright, brothers, comment in the section. Comment down below. Do you think the brothers located the barber shop, or do you think we're gonna go for another peer around the car looking for the shop?
Can't find that shop. What?
You can't find it?
No, I found it.
We'll be waiting for you to come back so you can answer the question. Did you find it or not?
Can't find it, unfortunately. Find another one though. It's 2 minutes away.
Tell, buggy, let's go.
Look, this guy recommended it to me.
Let's go, bro.
So a 2-minute drive from our apartment. Let's see if there are any bookings.
You should follow the channel.
He's trying to get me subscribers.
WreckedRebuilds.
It's WreckedRebuilds.
Sorry, bro, it's WreckedRebuilds.
WreckedRebuilds. Yeah, he's a YouTuber as well, brother. He's got too much subscribers, so I wouldn't even tell you what his name is. That is the shape up done. Looking much better, feeling much better. Brother over here, he just wants to drive there. He's just on one mission today.
I'm no mission. My mission is just to get to the UFC.
His mission is to get to
by Makkah's fight.
Makkah, inshallah. So guys, all the brothers are ready. Cars are ready. So we'll go for the day. Urus, I don't know what year it is. Then we've got the RSQ8 coming as well. Just going to get from the car. Oh, he's been a bit naughty, he is.
Look at the Janda hanging at the car.
Which car?
The SQ8.
Where is it?
In front of this.
Oh, are they in front of us?
Pulling up our first petrol station. Look how busy it is. It's cars upon cars. Everyone here I think is going to the UFC. Everyone here. Eurus is down there. We're gonna quickly grab a bite. Do you need to? Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. I have to introduce the lost person of the vlog. I'm ill, I gave him the duty to do it, but he hasn't done nothing.
You know what?
Say hello to your followers, innit?
What's going on, my people?
So he said...
I've come down with the illness as well, so I thought I need some time to go.
So he said that vlogging is my job, and he's gonna do the car vlogs. I love rebuilds. This is what typical Dubai petrol station looks like. But normally it doesn't be obviously this busy. It's because of the event. What kind of burger is this?
Mushrooms, guys.
Mushrooms. I got Big Mac, and this is what I got. But he's a bit disappointed in his food. How are you finding your food, sir?
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, beautiful. That's the response you should get. So currently I've swapped cars. So let me see what this RSQ
Well, I can kick you out, boy.
Yeah, well, that's what you think. Let me just clean the camera, it's a bit blurry.
So when you do it, just put it in.
So currently we're in the Quattro RSQ8, the man itself.
What's happening, people? We're on our way to Abu Dhabi, UFC 294.
Is it
Islam
294?
Championship.
I've been saying 293. My followers, I'm really sorry.
Can't paste it, why not? 294, Islam Makachev versus Volk. You know, it's gonna go down. We're gonna show you what's happening.
Tell him the secret plan, fam.
The secret plan, we can't tell you the secret plan because
Then it's a secret.
You know what I mean? So once you're gonna see the secret plan. You know what I mean? Once it's not a secret no more, you'll see it.
She said it ain't easy. No one said it has to be. You know you only make it harder when you mad at me. Need me, now you don't. Yeah, it's a robbery, shawty to my soul. Yeah, I went to Neiman, spent your life savings. Hold the phone up just to satisfy my Sprite cravings. On God, I don't know if I'm a demon or an alien. Did I come from outer space or was I just chilling with Satan? Eye for eye, we going line for line. 3-5, help me fly, put me in the sky. It ain't easy. No one said it has to be. You know you only make it harder when you mad at me. Need me, now you don't. Yeah, it's a robbery, shawty to my soul. Yeah, I went to Neiman, spent your life savings. Hold the phone up just to satisfy my Sprite cravings. On God, I don't know if I'm a demon or an alien. Did I come from outer space or was I just chilling with Satan? Eye for eye, we going line for line.
So we have currently arrived.
This is where I discovered how fast the Abu Dhabi flashes come through. We had the fine with us within the next hour. Not sure how they do it, but yeah, I'm not going to mess around with them again.
At the UFC.
We have just arrived. Bob's trying to...
We've got the Eurus and the RSQ8 parked up over there.
The fans already know what cars we're in.
We've got Faisal here, he's getting ready.
Okay. This is going to go in the YouTube clip, so carry on.
Fine, bro. Hello.
Have you got anything to say?
Man City, listen.
Oh,
Everyone.
How was camp, brother? How was camp?
It's
How was
fantastic.
Why, look at this brother, he's hiding.
This brother here just gets flashed.
Why are you got your jacket on for? Brother, you feeling in? You just said that on YouTube.
This brother here, he likes to go on walks everywhere. We've got Mr. E here.
One thing I'll say about UAE, the cars cannot be messed around with. That's all I'm saying. This is the official walk through the tunnel. Can't record too much, I'm gonna get copyright strike. Nachos going on. We got like UFC.
Yine çempiyonları Kıyas'ta 66'da. Osmanlı 70'te.
What a finish by Makachev, and to see that live and be in the moment is indescribable. Now onto the secret plan that we mentioned earlier. So we all know how bad the situation is in Palestine at the moment, especially in Gaza. And weeks after the UFC lifted the ban on flags, they had decided to reinstate that just for this event in particular, and we all know what the reason was. But we weren't going to take that, so we came locked and loaded with as many flags as we could, and we were going to try to get them in front of the cameras, get them on the fighters, but it proved to be much more difficult than we thought. You can see here when Hamza comes through, you can see we tried, we couldn't get it through. We tried this with almost every fighter that went past, but we did not get much success. That is until both Umar and Usman, Habib's cousins, walked past us, and we managed to give them one of the Palestine flags. Millions of people and shared by thousands of people. So I would say it was a success. We did what we could do, our small part, which is nothing compared to what is required. So please, I urge everyone to spread the message and do what you need to do to save our brothers and sisters in Gaza and Palestine, Syria, Yemen, China, all over the world.
The event has officially finished. What an event it was. Baba, talk to the camera, Baba. Tell me, how was this event?
I can't be in the vlog, or you vlog.
Why?
This is your vlog, bro. I can't be disturbed with you channel.
Baba, I need for your followers, Baba. I don't know what you're trying to say. You can't be my...
So technically, so what you're doing is you're using me.
And what?
You're using me
You're my
today.
brother. Brothers are there to be used.
We just come back from UFC 294. Our voices are gone completely. My brother here was already ill. Now
I'm more in.
Now he's more ill. But you know what? It was worth it.
Worth it.
Words can't describe what we just saw.
What we witnessed.
What we just witnessed, the experience. If you can, you should go and do the same. I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but
So hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. Obviously this is a different kind of vlog. So just leave us your reviews. What do you think? If should we record more videos like this? So the next one, Donnie, is going to be back to the cop politics. So we shall see you then.
catch you guys in the next one.